Designed to balance the ruggedness of the landscape with painter Heather Day and creative director Chase McBride's desire for simplicity, the house and studio I'm about to walk you through integrates seamlessly into the desert setting. Situated in the vast expanse of Joshua Tree, the High Desert House, designed by Ryan Leidner Architecture, is a thoughtful response to its surrounding environment, providing the couple with a space that nurtures both their art and daily life. It is a contemporary and simplified box, a wood-framed structure covered in off-white plaster stucco, materials chosen for their durability against the harsh desert climate. Although the site is located in an undeveloped area of the desert, the experience here balances the cozy, compact feeling of a domestic space with the vastness of the surrounding landscape. The compact form and exposed beam structure nod to the principles of mid-century modern design, while the clean lines and thoughtful restraint draw inspiration from Japanese and Scandinavian modernism. The house respects the landscape with a compact design that still manages to offer a sense of expansiveness. The design draws heavily from the stark beauty of the desert itself. Large windows frame views of the endless horizon, allowing the shifting light of the day to animate the interiors. An open-plan living area flows into a deck, extending the interior into the expansive outdoors. This concept blurs the boundaries between shelter and nature, aligning with the couple's vision of a home that simultaneously anchors and liberates. The focus here is on flexibility of space and natural light. The studio provides Heather with ample space to paint, featuring expansive walls and sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows. While it feels like a more intimate area, it is balanced with shared and private spaces that support Heather and Chase's creative pursuits. The use of natural materials, from the raw timber beams to the concrete floors, grounds the space in its environment, allowing the inhabitants and their artworks to become the true focal points. Each element, carefully chosen, underscores the intention to create a home that is both functional and poetic. A sense of calm pervades the home, reinforced by a minimalist approach to furnishings and decor. The white exterior contrasts with the neutral tones of the landscape, ensuring the structure stands out without overwhelming the arid surroundings. The high desert house is not just a shelter, but a space for contemplation and creation, where the lines between art, life, and landscape intentionally blur. For Heather and Chase, it is a place that offers both sanctuary and inspiration, a home that reflects their journey as creatives, embracing both the serenity and challenges of their unique surroundings.